Greetings, everybody. I hope you're doing well on this beautiful Friday. I am excited because I'm about to get out and take a drive in a minute. But I wanted to come on and just do a brief tutorial on how to secure a goddess crown. And so because I've been selling my jewelry and I just need an updated video on how to show you how to place your crown on, and also I'm going to show you how to use my mini crowns that you can wrap around like your twist in your hair. So when you get your goddess crown, it's probably going to look like this. It's going to be packaged inside of a plastic bag. This is my carnelian goddess crown. It's a crystal goddess crown, and I'm going to show you how to put on this amethyst goddess crown that is mine. And so this is how it's going to look, right? You're going to have the shells and the crystals, and you're going to have this excess wire, right? So the reason why there's extra wire is because you never know what size head someone has or what type of hairstyle you're going to wear with it. And so I usually make it with extra wire because sometimes you might want to wear it when you have big hair, or when your hair is more flat, or if your hair is short, if you don't have no hair at all, and if you just want to wear it with a headscarf or whatever. You get to just choose that. And so basically what you do right now, obviously I have my twist down, and so I would normally put the crown, place it where I want it to fall, and I would line it up to make sure it's evenly placed around my head, and then I would literally just take it back, right? And then I'm going to twist around. Hopefully you can see me, right? So when you have what you do with the extra wire, you take these two and you literally cross them over and you wind them. You're going to wind them no more than 3 times. And then this extra wire here, hold on, it's not tight enough. Wait, you want to make sure it's tight enough, but not too tight. So, kind of weird. You got my back to y'all. So, I got my wires twisted. Okay, so basically, I'm going to take the 2 wires, wind them together. It's so weird. It's easier for me to do it this way. And then the extra wire I have left, since I have my hair twisted, all I do is take a twist and literally wrap the rest of the wire around the twist, right? Just wrap the rest of the wire around the twist. And if you have, let's say you have short hair or you don't have braids, right? So if you don't have braids or short hair or anything like that, all you want to do is literally, if the wire is too long, you want to just clip the wire. And then you take the wire and then you literally just kind of bend it underneath and tuck it. So it's just a way to secure it. If you just literally tuck it in underneath. So that's how you secure a goddess crown. And then also I have like my mini crowns that you can wrap around like your hair. And so that's going to come, I'm opening up a pack right now. They come 3 in a pack, and it's literally a cowrie shell with the copper wire, right? So what you do is, it's going to come and it's going to look like this, right? You have the wire and then you have the shell. So you take your twist and you figure out where you want, how far do you want the shell to be, right? Sometimes you might want to line it up with the crown, or you might want to put them at the bottom of the twist. For the sake of this video, I'm going to put mine kind of like right in the middle. And so when you get it, you're going to place your finger down and hold it where you want the shell to fall. And then all you do is take the wire and you literally just wind it upwards. So what you're going to end up having is a copper spiral with the cowrie shell hanging at the end, right? So I just wind it until I can't wind it anymore, right? And then what I'll end up with is this. So now I have my adornment, right? So now you have your cowrie shell and the copper wire adorned. And what I like to do, I like to kind of line them up and put a bunch of them on. And so that's how you do it. And then these are reusable, right? So if you, like, I have mine that I use all the time with multiple hairstyles. So all you got to do to take it off is literally lift the shell up and just unwind it, right? You just go in the opposite direction and unwind it, right? And then, so I'm going to show you how I put it on the end of the twist. So as another style, sometimes I like to put it on the end of the twist. So you take your hair and then you pin the shell down at the end of the twist. And then you take the wire and you literally do the same thing. You just wind it up. And if you don't want it to go up, you can wind it in the same place, right? If you just want the shell to show versus the copper wire. And I hope y'all can see that okay. And you just keep winding until you don't have any more wire to wind, right? So, and then you end up with this look right here. So now I have the cowrie shell with the copper wire on the bottom of the twist. And this is a very cute way if you wanted to get a bunch of them and just put them on all of your twists. And you can do this not just with extensions. You can do this with your natural hair. You can do this with braids. However you wear your hair, you can, you know, put a bunch of these on them. And so that's how it looks if you want to have them hanging at the bottom of the hair. So I just wanted to come and show you that because it's important to see how do you put this on. And so as you can see here are my goddess rings as well. So on this side you can see this goddess ring is facing upwards. You can have it with the shell up or you can have it with the shell down, right? So you get to choose how you would want it to look. And so that's what it looks like. And that's how you secure a goddess crown. I hope this is helpful. And just to let you know, I do have a 15% off spring special going right now on Etsy. When you enter the code PEACE15, you get 15% off. It does expire on May 5th. So you might want to place your order before that so that you can get the discount. And yeah, help me you know, find homes for all these beautiful pieces. I have these big Divine Goddess hoops right here. Just going to show you a little bit of what these look like for those who like big earrings. I know everybody isn't that bold to like wear big old hoops, but some of y'all are. So I just want to show you what that looks like in real time. So you see that they are wrapped with the copper wire around the hoop, and then you see the cowrie shell, right? And you see how big that is next to my face. So these is, you know, for the big ones right here. So these are, you can find on my website. These are the jumbo ones right here. Let's see what else I have. I have my basket in front of me. I have some pieces that are not currently on my Etsy, and I'm thinking about adding them. I want to see what you all think. I'm going to show you my half hoop dangles. Usually you can get these from me in person, or you can get them at Mandela Foods. So yeah, Mandela Co-op Foods grocery store, the Co-op in West Oakland. They have a small selection of my jewelry there that you can get at a good price. So you can definitely go there. I think they're like all $15 or something like that. So these are my half hoop dangles, right? So it's just like a very light, elegant half hoop. So do y'all think I should put this on my Etsy site? Let me know. They're pretty popular in person, actually. So that's one. What else do I got in here? Looking at my little basket, just my usual pieces. But I really just wanted to come on and just show you how to secure a crown. And I hope that I was able to do that. And I hope that you will get your goddess crowns and crown yourself and adorn yourself and remind yourself of how beautiful you already are. All right, y'all. I just want to send that love out and hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace, love, and light.